quick video update here on what is happening with our Las Vegas zip code strategy. So finally, we have some super exciting things now happening, and this tells me that we are well on our way now. Remember, our goal is we want to rank for Las Vegas zip codes. If you're watching this video and you have not watched the previous videos in this playlist, you may want to go back and check those out, because there's a whole strategy here, and you're going to watch how we moved things on pages and redirects and whatnot to better rank. So now let me show you guys my top keywords now on my real estate website in Las Vegas that's bringing me in traffic. And now you're going to understand why this strategy was so important to me. The first one, Las Vegas zip code map. Okay, we're moving around positions on page 1, page 2, and that is now 4% of our traffic. The volume is 9,900 searches a month, so it's pretty significant volume. Now, whether or not these zip code pages convert to dollars is a whole different conversation. My focus was one thing: traffic. The second thing on here, Las Vegas zip code. This is the one that we have been gunning for. What the problem has been is that every time we started ranking for the term Las Vegas zip code, it was going to a child page. Well, I'm happy to report that after all of the redirects, we are now ranking for the correct page. Las Vegas zip codes. Woohoo! Finally, not one of the child pages. So we at least now have the ranking going to the right page. Now, underneath that, we have Las Vegas strip map. And underneath that, we have Las Vegas strip zip code map. So guys, it is happening. Google now believes that my website is about zip codes. What we're probably going to start seeing, see here where this one says Summerlin zip codes, I would expect to possibly see more of those child zip code pages now start moving up as well. Again, this is going to take more strategy. So I'm going to make another video. I'm going to do a real estate market report on all the zip codes, because our goal now is we've got it. We have the zip codes going to the right page. Now we need to update this page. And I need to make sure that this is the best page for consumers where it comes to zip codes. So how I'm going to do this is we're going to test things like, you know, the map on top. Obviously, this is old, so I need to get a new zip code map up here, or get rid of it potentially. You know what we're going to do? Let's do that. We need to make a change today anyway. So we know we're in position 15. So let's edit this page and see what happens. So we're going to do this slowly. We're going to start changing this page, and then we're going to start building around this page, and we're going to see see if we can get this to go up, okay? So I am going to remove this content block that has that map on it. So what I'm trying to do is, generally speaking, a new image is a good idea. We're going to remove the image and see what it does. Now, it could decrease the rankings if people found that video, if people found that image. Hold on, let me clean this up a little. Okay, that's not so bad. So here's what it's going to look like on desktop. That's going to function better on the mobile device than on just this little screen share here. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to remove that image, and that's all we're going to do for today. Because again, I want to keep this really purposeful about testing our strategies. If the rankings go down, then that image was probably valuable to the consumer. Even though it was outdated, I need a more current one. Okay. My other thought is we're going to put a video up top. And maybe I'll just make a quick little screen share video on YouTube of all the zip codes and what the areas are, or something to that effect, and put it up here. But let's just start with removing the image, and then I'll do an update. Let's see what happens, and then we'll go on to the next one. I'm Lori Ballen. Thanks for joining me today. If you need a real estate agent website, check out my company, ballenbrands.com.